Patrick at Pals, and our BenPack drive-on lift is being worked on today. Lifts need maintenance just like cars. And Kelvin, with Service Equipment Specialists, is here today to help us out. Kelvin, what are you doing to this lift?
Well, your lock here on the air to hydraulic jack has a little worm screw in it that over time, with this being used as much as it is wallered out. And now when you go to unlock this, one of the locks doesn't unlock. So this is getting stuck up. So what it is, a temporary fix, just put a zip tie on it to equalize those locks. And we're going to wait for this new handle to get in, replace it, and it should be good as new.
So we drive the cars in, we put those lifts underneath the frame of the car or the suspension of the car, and we lift it. Can you go ahead and lift that up? You can see that coming up, folks. Then when Kelvin stops it, there's a lock, and it's over here on the side.
Yeah, right here.
And that's a safety lock. And we want to make sure that safety lock is always engaged so that the car, if it should lose hydraulic pressure, it's got mechanical lock on it. So today he's putting on a temporary fix on this to limit travel, which is a zip tie.
Yep.
And he's going to make sure that we get a new part as soon as possible.
Yes, sir.
We always want to work safely on our cars, and this is why we do maintenance on them. If you've got a car and need it worked on, you can be sure that it will be safely worked on at Pals. See you soon.